What is up, guys? Welcome to another edition of Market Marauders, beating the market one trade at a time. For you, the Market Marauders investment channel helps you to find the best deals in the market. That's something you're interested in. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button. Definitely helps the YouTube algorithm promote the videos. All right, so going to be talking about the top penny stocks under $1. So let's jump into it. Got three for today. First one is ticker sign AVGR for Avenger. They did touch 63 cents today. They are bullish, noted by moving average 10 line being above moving average 50 and 100, which is this purple and yellow line right here. So the moving average 10 being this red line is above the purple and yellow. So I denote that as being bullish. Second indicator, VWAP being above moving average 10 is not confirmed, but I would still say that this one is overall bullish. They ended the day at 59 cents. Then after hours went up to 64 cents. So they ended actually above their high, which was 63 cents. So definitely be looking at this one for an early morning mover for tomorrow. Background information on them. They don't really have too much going on. They did have a meeting that was on the 23rd, but overall, not really too many things going on. Definitely be looking for an update of this Tiger Eye that they had a launch for, that they got approval for the FDA for. But overall, not really too many things going on for the company that I'm seeing. These press releases are kind of old, being the December 23rd, and then this Tiger Eye press release being on the 4th. So I'm going to be looking for some more updates on the rollout of that, getting closer towards the middle or possibly end of January. Next, we have ticker sign ARTL for Artello. They did touch 87 cents today, ended the day at 83 cents. And then after hours went down to 82 cents. They are bullish, noted by moving average 10 line being above moving average 50 and 100. And then the second confirmation is positive. So the moving average, the VWAP is above the moving average 10 line. So I'm going to be looking at this one to be an early morning mover for tomorrow, even though it ended kind of on a negative note today. Still going to be looking for some positive movement from them. Background on them, they had a patent for this formula, ART 27.13, that came out the 9th. Once they get confirmation, or if they do get that patent, then I expect the stock to continue to go up and potentially go past $1. But until then, definitely keep my eyes out on them. Now, the patent process is not a short process. It is a pretty lengthy one. It's a lot different than doing FDA process, or doing NDAs through the FDA, or different FDA actions. Patents really do take quite a long time. So in the meantime, I'm going to be looking for some more updates from the company overall to see what things they're doing instead of just waiting around for that patent. Lastly, we have ticker sign CLSN for Celsion. They did touch 87 cents today. They ended the day at 80 cents. Then after hours went up 3 more cents, then at 83 cents. They are bullish. Moving average 10 is above moving average 50 and 100, which is purple and yellow that seem to have converged at the 73 cent range. VWAP is above the moving average 10, so positive on both ends. Definitely going to be looking for this one for some early morning movement as well, especially considering it ended at this 83 cent level, which is only 4 cents away from 87, where it currently had a day high. Background information on them. Just going to read some of these press releases. It says that they reported their third quarter 2020 financial results. So this was back in November. And then they held, talking about when they were going to hold their 2020 financial results. So not really too much relevant news. They kind of went the whole month of December without giving any updates. So in my opinion, they're due for an update pretty soon, especially considering it's a new year and they basically skipped all of December. So the results that they did have that I'm going to be looking for is an update on their phase 2 Ovation 2 study of Gen 1 advanced ovarian cancer. So this phase 2 If you're not familiar with the phases of different drugs that companies make, it usually goes phase 1, then 2, then 3. Then they usually have an NDA, which is a new drug application that they submit to the FDA. But as you know, the FDA is pretty backed up with all this vaccine stuff going on. But I think they'll make room for some couple of different new drugs that are out there. Not saying that they won't get to it soon, but having this company have a phase 2 and then a phase 3, is still good progress for the company overall. So I'm going to be looking for some more updates from this trial, especially considering that there were none in December. So definitely going to be looking for updates in January, probably mid to late January, especially considering it's a new year. I want to definitely see some updates from that and to see if they'll get from their phase 3 to a potential NDA, and then from this phase 3 to a potential phase 2 to a potential phase 3. So those are the catalysts I'm going to be looking for, especially considering that December gap with the company. So those are the 3 that I'm looking at for penny stocks under $1. Drop a comment down below to which stocks you guys are looking at. I know there are tons of them out there. I know you guys like the series, but you guys follow them way more closely than I do. But overall, I hope the video helps you all, and I hope you all smash that like button. Definitely helps the YouTube algorithm as well. So good luck to everybody out there trading, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.